We have made 8% in one day today, basically. Do you follow my strategy 2 days ago? If you have subscribed my indicator, basically, today you make a very, very good profit. I hope you have made the profit. Okay, so let's start. Today I will go to have some revision about the strategy again, and also I will combine with the gap and also other strategy to help you to understand trading better. I hope you can learn something and I hope you can make more money from trading. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading mindset and trading strategy. I just hope you to make more money and don't be others big sharks food. Okay, so click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my course or join the indicator if you think you want to make more money from trading. Okay, so now start at the Nasdaq. I want to give you a bit reminder about the August, because now in today basically end of July, we coming with August. I want to remind my follower that don't chase the stock too much when it's a too high price. Just be careful. Don't do margin. Why? Because August, I have shown you this. So basically August, we have been since 2011. August, the month coming usually is the one lower. Okay? Usually is the one lower. So you can see basically the candle afterward. This is a monthly chart. The candle afterward will come lower, come lower, come lower, come lower. So basically August or September is one of the high peak, okay? It's one of the high points, I should say. So end of September, usually they have a pullback, okay? So where would it be the peak, the small peak? August or September? Depends if the market is strong or not. If the market is very strong, we'll go to September. If the market is just normal or weak, let's say this one, the August would be higher price than the September. Okay, let's say here, August would be the high price than September. So look at the RSI also can give you a small hint also. When the RSI drop below 70, so it's a give me a warning signal. Hello, the August would be the high, higher than the September. So you need to run in September. They will have a pullback. Of course, for long-term holder, when you see this indicator, basically you can hold a stock because this red zone means this is a strong area. You can still hold a stock. For very long-term holder, you just look at monthly chart, you make crazy profit. Okay, easy. But just be careful. Okay. Although now we have a green zone, but we are still okay because the green zone is getting more narrow. And this red area, this is my indicator. This red area mean big organization is coming in. Okay, you see this going up. Okay, and our side is getting strong. So far we are still safe. Okay, but I just want to remind you, August and September would be, so we will still have 1 or 2 months going up and then we'll have a drop, okay? Just don't chase the stock when that one is September, okay? You want to buy low and sell high. You don't want to do the opposite. Remember, buy low, sell high. 90% of the investor, you will be surprised, they do opposite. They buy high and sell low. Is it incredible? So just remember, buy low and sell high. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to make more money. Okay, now I want to check with the weekly chart. We always, when we analyze a trend, we analyze from the big market first. So I always look at minimum weekly chart or monthly chart to have a big picture. And then we see this is opportunity or this is a risk. If it is a risk, I don't even look at the stock. Don't waste time, okay? So now you tell me this is a risk or this is opportunity. Red zone. Yes, this is our opportunity. So if we have a pullback, we will have opportunity to buy, okay? So it's that easy. So just be careful about the RSI. When the RSI, they go above 70, basically it means overbought, okay? So when they go below 30, it means oversold. So when we are in the high area, more than 70, it doesn't mean it will go down immediately. But if it meets the time interval and also the resistance price, we will have a pullback. Okay, if they drop below 70, and when the time interval arrive, remember the time resistance basically. Let's say September, basically it will have a pullback. Where will you go to? It's possible they go down to the red area. So it's quite a big pullback. So just be careful on that, okay? But for long-term holder, it's no problem because you should bought it long time ago, not now, okay? So this is our Nasdaq index. So I just want to show you this graph. This is the gap area. Basically, they jump up. And then I've mentioned, basically, if this candle within 10 days, they did not go back to this purple zone, they did not drop below this purple zone, basically, we are still strong market, okay? So just look at this purple zone as a support and resistance. When the price go above this purple zone, this serve as a support, okay? So you can see each time when the stock go down here, they go up each time. They just serve as a support. Is that easy, right? Okay, so easy. So top back to my indicator. So this is my own indicator. You can subscribe it. It's really, really cheap. Now you can unsubscribe it if you think the indicator doesn't work. But so far you work on me and you work on many people. So it should work with you too. So this indicator is very easy. When the trend is going up, we hold the stock. We buy the stock, we hold the stock. When the trend is going down, we don't touch the stock. We don't hold the stock, okay? It's that easy. If you want to do short, it's also possible. So this is a daily chart. So what's the trend now? You tell me. Going upward. Yes. So it's an upward trend. We hold the stock, okay? So yesterday, I have mentioned my strategy about my club, basically. Let's look at some stock, shall we? Actually, I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. I just want to share some education information with you. So this stock called Li Auto is one of the electronic car. And okay, so yesterday I've mentioned with my indicator, you change this to 21. When Of course, you can use other strategy too, but this strategy is one of the easiest strategy. When the red line go below this blue line, we look for two candle, okay? So first, step one, blue line is going upward. Step two, when we look for the zone, when the red line go below this blue line, step two. Step three is we look for two candle. The candle highest price is higher than the previous day, the highest price. The closing price is higher than the previous day closing price. Is it easy? Yes or no? And then the second candle is the confirmation to buy in. So basically, for example, this one, you can buy here. You can buy here, or you can buy here. Okay. Basically, I bought yesterday. I was a bit late. I bought yesterday, but still okay. And today go up by 9.57%. Okay, so I have profit like around 8.5 or 8.8%, something like that. So this is the strategy. Oh, of course, you need to match with this indicator also. So in my bundle, I will have these two indicators combined. So when the red bar go above this purple line, you buy. That is so easy. Cannot be easier than this, right? So basically when the red bar over 50, you buy. Okay. The best is even stronger than, how to tell you it's super strong. Either over 50% or the red bar above this purple average. Okay. That is so easy. So they have a two combo above 50 and above this purple line. So I bought, boom, 9%. One day. Do you like it? Yes or no? Click like if you like it, okay? Share with your friend. This is amazing information. And I'm doing a monthly subscription right now, so it's super cheap. Later, I will change the plan. So usually this one, is you need to take my course, then you can get the indicator. But now I open to everyone. You can just subscribe it to try it. This is in one of my strategy to buy stock, but it's so easy, this method, okay? So I want to, let's look at other stock, shall we? Because I bought this one also. I'm just sharing. I'm not advising you to do any trade, by the way, okay? So now look at here. Even if you don't look at this one, it's still okay. Even you can trade with this single one indicator. When they go above, you buy. That's it. Go upward and above, you buy. That's it. That is so easy. Why? Look at before. Meta. Oh my God. Meta is crazy. Go downward. Do we buy? No. We don't buy when they go downward. We buy when they go above this. Look at this. This is one of our buying signals. Is it crazy? Is it very close to the bottom? Yes. Look at this. Look at this. That's crazy. And they can really, this line can really tell you when is a peak also. The delay is very little. It's much better than other indicators. So that's why I put it in my course and I do some adjustment. It's different from other indicator, from other moving average, basically. It's more sensitive, but it's very, very smooth. It can help you to hold the stock. Will you sell the stock here? No, you will hold it because it's going upward. Okay, so easy. Just one single indicator can tell already. But why I combine with this one? Because if I combine with this one, when two stock happen have the same signal, I can tell which one is stronger or not. So I can take the stronger one. Okay, I want to make bigger profit. I want to maximize my profit. Is it clear? Okay, I hope you want to do the same. If you don't want to do the same, you can buy some index fund or something else, okay? Something slower. But me, I just want to maximize my profits. But I don't want to do day trade, okay? I don't recommend you to do day trade, okay? So now what happened with Meta? It's crazy. I have this stock for a while already, but not recommend you anything. So first, look at this. Okay, even we don't look at the second one, we just look at this. They go up here, buying signal, boom, easy, right? But when it's going upward trend, you want to find a point to buy, a safe point to buy. Then you combine this line. Okay, this is 21. You change to 21. How to change? Click this setting, put input 21, click OK, done. Oh, you need to change the color also, okay? So for you to easier to see is red. Let's say I use red, okay? So red, when red go down to the blue, first the blue go upward. It means we are in the upward trend. We are in the bull market. When the red go below the blue, it means opportunity. Okay, and then look for the candle. So for example, okay, so let's see. Yeah, I don't know, sometimes I don't know, should I use live example, because I'm not recommend you to buy or sell any stock, by the way. It kind of, okay, so now we look at here. When the red go below the blue, which two candle has fulfilled what I told you? The highest price is higher than the previous day. The closing price is higher than the previous day also, okay? So basically these two candles fulfill our criteria. Bing, 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 bing. So basically, it's easy. So you buy in this candle, okay? You can use this candle's lowest price as a cut loss price if they drop below, okay? But what happened is it over 50? Yes. So we bought, done, easy. What does it mean when is this indicator, the red bar over 50? The red bar mean organization, big fund or organization. The green bar mean individual, locked chips, like some people lost money, basically. They got locked up the capital in the stock. So the yellow mean floating chips, okay? The day trade day trader. So basically what is important is the red one. We want to follow the big organization to do trading, correct? So usually if you really want to double your investment, you need to follow this red zone, especially when they're over 50. Okay, can check, so over 50, I should make a line here. So over 50 is around this price. So at that time to now is already 156%. At that time is $127. Now is more than a double. How many days? This is from January. So only 7 months. 7 months, double, more than double your investment. Do you want it? Yes. So that's why I combine these two indicators. Okay. Of course, outside they have other indicator can also give you a very good strategy. What you need is you need to learn before you earn. Okay. So I use simple strategy for you. Of course, I have a complicated one, but I don't want to make things too complicated because I want to when I trade, why I want to teach trading, because before I was just like you, I'm reading so much news from day to night and follow the news and follow different analysis. It's just exhausting. But is it the lifestyle I want? No. And then after 5 years, it's like keep learning. You can learn from the book, you can learn from the course, learn from different courses. I combine the stuff and I find the suitable method for me. I find this method is the easiest one and this one work. That's why I want to share with you. I don't want you to, it's too many people lost money. Okay. So I just want to help my friend, help you, because so many friends, they ask me how I invest. I have learned valuation method. I have also learned technical analysis. I love technical analysis because for me, first, it's just like a video game. And second, you can avoid a lot of calculation. Easy. Yeah. So that's why I use, of course, you can combine both. Okay. So now back to the point. I want to mention, do you see yesterday we have a gap here? Gap up, a big gap up here. So when this gap up happen and the price jump above this blue line, so my indicator basically is a very strong one of our buying strategy. So it's one of our buying points also basically yesterday. Okay, so this is my this is the matter, this one. Okay, so what is next? Let's do some more. What do you want? Amazon there. Oh, at the end, let's do the Bitcoin because I know you guys want me to cover Bitcoin. Okay, Amazon. Amazon is interesting. Okay, so now we look at this Amazon. We're in the upper trend. What happened is they drop below. Let's click here, the red zone. Not the red zone, the red area. What happened, you need to be careful is this blue line is less upward than before. You see, it's going to be flat, even little bit, slightly going down, slightly. Okay, so it's not confirmed it's going down or not. So we can look at this one also. But first, look at the red is below the blue, so it gives us opportunity. Okay, here also here gives us some opportunity. But when to buy is interesting because first, this one is going to be flat. And this purple average line is going downward. So will you buy around here? Even they go above this line? Well, first, this red bar is not above this purple line, okay? Second, just today, they start to go above this purple line. So we start to see hope, okay? So you can buy also here, but basically you need to make a cut loss price in case they drop below, in case this blue line, because first criteria is the blue line has to go upward. This strategy is for the upward trend, how to buy strong stock, okay? So if they go below the lowest price, you need to cut loss, okay? But so far it's okay because the red go above the purple and we have the signal to buy in. Just need to be careful about the first criteria. Are we really going upward or not, okay? So the next one I want to check with you is, we checked the lead already, right? Tesla. Okay, Tesla, are we going upward? Yes, but it's just getting a little bit slower, but we're still going upward. What happened is, do we have a buying signal? Look at this area, the red area, the red line under the blue line. Do we have a buying signal? Do we have a correct uh, candle to buy? You will say this candle, but look at this, okay? The red bar is not above the purple bar, about the purple line. Basically, we don't have a buying signal, so we wait, okay? So this is Tesla. Another one I want to check with you is this one. I bought this one. I bought this one basically yesterday and today go up by 9.57%. So let me repeat what's the strategy. The red line go below the blue line, use my indicator. The red line, you change to 21 and look for the candle, two candle, okay? Higher high, higher than previous one, the closing price higher than the previous one. So basically you buy in this candle and check the red bar above 50, the red bar even above the average line. So you buy in, today they go up 9.57%, okay? So very easy one. Let's do favorite Bitcoin. Oh, sorry. These two indicators will work for Bitcoin as well. Look at how beautiful this is. So tell me, this is daily chart, by the way. So it's for swing trader, okay? So okay, let's look at the weekly chart because I know you guys, most of you guys still holding the Bitcoins. You want to know what's going on right now. I've mentioned in my previous video, we have reached the time interval. We will have a sideways or a pullback, okay? So okay, long-term trend, we are still going upward, no problem. What happened is, how about daily chart? So when we know this is going up, most of you now, you will feel more comfortable to hold the coins, right? So now we look at this chart, the daily chart. So what happened now? You tell me what happened now. So first, opportunity or risk? Look at here. So basically, we have a small risk because it's going downward. But this is for short-term holder, remember, short-term holder. So now we are in the zone, the red below this blue line, okay? First, look for two candle. Do we have two candle with, I qualify that? Yes, we do actually, this one. These two candle. Highest high, but highest price, higher than the previous one. The closing price, higher than the previous one. These two candles fulfill, but look at this indicator. Is it above the purple line? No. So we don't buy the stock, okay? We don't buy the coins, okay? So is that simple? Yes or no? So simple. So you can also use RSI as a reference. I quite like RSI because RSI can tell you, sometimes can tell you the peak. You see the RSI when they drop. Basically, this is a divergence. You see the price going up, the RSI going down. So we have a pullback, which is completely normal, okay? And RSI even dropped below 50. So you need to, it's possible to drop to around this level also, around this level, around 36. So it's possible, okay? It's quite healthy, to be honest. Remember, oops, everything you need to have a pullback before you jump higher, okay? So this year, I've mentioned in my video about the Bitcoin, this year will be quite boring year, will be a sideways or up and down channel, but next year will be more exciting. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and give me a comment about what kind of stock you want me to look at with this indicator, so I can make a video about your stock and we can look at it together. How about that? So click like, subscribe, and if you really want to, if you're really serious about making more money, either take my complete course or just try to subscribe the indicator, try the indicator, because it really helps. I don't understand why you still hesitate, okay? Because I told you, we will have a going up until August and September, and then we go down and we go to another peak. In my previous video, I have mentioned that we need to catch it because this peak will go up really, really fast. You better to learn it now, okay? And remember, stock market is a funny, interesting market. Even they go down, you can still make money by shorting, okay? So at least I can help you to avoid the bad moment, the the when it's going down, the bad moment, okay? So this is the sharing today. In the next video, I will show you some other strategy, how to trade. See you. Have a good weekend and be happy. See you next time. Bye-bye.